Here's how to buy Dogecoin in the Bybit app. So first go and open up Bybit. Then from here, what you want to go and do is click on deposit. Now here, click on buy with, for me it says euro, for you it may be US dollar or a different currency, but simply click on the second option. Now here in the top right, as you can see, it's set to Bitcoin. You want to click on the drop down and here simply search for Dogecoin and click on it right there. Then choose how much you would like to buy in your currency, or you can also choose how much Doge you would like to buy. But for example, I'll say 25 euros. Then simply click next. Then go and select how you would like to pay for it. For me, it is euro balance, but I don't have enough in my balance. So then you need to click deposit in the bottom. And then you can simply go and deposit the fiat right here. So choose whichever currency you would like to use. And for example, I'll say 25 with IDU. Then simply click continue in the bottom and deposit that money. Then once it's in your balance, you can do the same thing and actually buy the Dogecoin. So now you know how to buy Dogecoin in the Bybit app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.